everyone, my name is Mehta and I study in Euroschool Airoli in grade 4. I am here to present my project idea which is called Project Illuminate, which belongs to the Dream Gadget category. I chose this project idea since I am convinced that the goal of technology should be to make people's lives better. So, let us find out what this project is all about. We all know that the digital era has begun and technology is being used for all sorts of purposes and also to make work more efficient. As you can see, half the population globally uses mobile phones. The progress is same in India. Out of a total of 1.3 billion people, almost 1 billion people use mobile phones. Another interesting fact is that almost 2 billion people globally use smartphones, of which 0.25 billion are in India. But a section of the human population is left isolated from the digital wave and revolution. About 285 million people are visually impaired, out of which 39 million are completely blind. From these, 15 million are in India. My dream gadget is Braille Smartcase, which will allow the blind and the visually impaired to also use technology by just using normal smartphones. Now, let us see how the technology will work. There were earlier attempts to create a Braille device for which detailed slides are in my project file. The drawbacks of these smartphones are that they are not easily available in the market. The mainstream technology like Android, iOS, etc. are not available on these devices and the cost is extremely high. Introducing Illuminate, the smart case for the blind and the visually impaired. This is how the smart case will look. The phone is put into the smart case. The bottom part of the flip cover has sensors which read what is written on the phone screen and transmit that info to the tactile material on the top, which converts the content on the phone screen into Braille. Now, I will walk you through some of the key slides of the project and explain how I have created them. I planned my project initially using pen and paper to arrive at the first draft version. I researched the statistics regarding population, smartphone usage and visually impaired people using Google. The sources for the data in my presentation are listed on this slide. I also watched videos of inventors who have been working on Braille device prototypes on TED and YouTube. I have used different slide transitions and animation sequences on the slides. For example, the introduction slide is preceded by a vortex transition that makes it look dramatic. The slide following this uses airplane transition effect. On the following two slides, which are slide 4 and slide 5, you can see the block of content is dropping down from the top and a cloud of dust is rising upon the impact. This is an effect called anvil effect that is generally only available in Keynote, which is the Mac equivalent of PowerPoint. I have simulated this effect in PowerPoint by embedding a video to show the dust cloud effect. Slide 6, which shows the smartphone usage, is created using a whiteboard video application called VideoScribe. In subsequent slides, I have continued to use different transition and animation effects. I have again used VideoScribe to put in the business card effect on the thanks slide. A full list of applications and effects used is present in the end of the project file. I would like to thank Whizjuniors for organizing this interesting competition. Thank you.